Hello and welcome to yet another episode of Kenyan Cuisine, and today I'm going to show you how to make this simple yet so delicious egg with collard green made in one pot. I called it a lazy person's recipe. So first I'll wash my collard green thoroughly using running water to make sure it is nicely cleaned. After washing, I'm going to remove the stalk as shown in the video and thinly slice them to my desired size. Then I'm going to add some oil and fry my onions till translucent. At this point, I'm going in with 2 medium-sized chopped tomatoes, salt and seasoning cube. Then I'll cover and let the tomatoes cook. I'm using 7 pieces of eggs because they are small, but 5 is enough. So I'll crack the egg and add some salt and whisk. Once the tomatoes are broken down, I'm going to add my freshly sliced collard green and keep turning for 2 minutes. Then I'm going in with the whisk egg and mix to combine. Keep mixing till the water is all dry or until you get the consistency that you desire. And now food is ready. This meal is usually served with ugali. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, take care, enjoy. Bye.